Yeah, absolutely. But yeah, I will be back.
So these are two.
Just these two.
Just these two. Oh, just these
Just
two.
this one. Yep, just under that
Everything
category.
else is the one.
Everything else is one. If you have any questions, just let me know, and
Thank you.
I'll do my best to help you guys. So I have it 1 through 4. That's just how we make it easier, not stressful for you guys. So your number 1 is going to be this one right here. Your 2 is going to be on your right. Your 3 is on the dark back, and 4 is here. Another thing you should remember is highest to lowest.
Highest to lowest. Okay.
And I also have it labeled on your sheets for you, 1 through 4.
Okay.
If you guys forget or have any questions.
Did you smell it? Open it up.
This is a strawberry rosé. Look at this.
Delicious. Cheers.
That's 4.
So 2 here. You see.
Oh, that'll be nice. where'd you guys list
Hey you guys, this is Carla and Eric just vlogging live, you guys, and we are doing wine tasting January. So that was Vintner's Winery and Brewery that we just left. I hope that I'm able to edit this properly and get this in here to you guys. But we had a wine tasting and a food tray, and also we got two complimentary wine glasses, something similar to the glasses that we were drinking out of, right baby?
It's exactly the same.
Yeah, so I thought that was really nice, but we ended up getting a Groupon.
Shout out to Groupon.
Yeah, that was really cool. How much was it on Groupon?
It retail for $40. Groupon $17.75.
$17.75. So that wasn't too bad. We had 7 tastings,
Yes.
and a piece, right? 7 tastings a piece, and the tray.
Food tray doesn't come with it though.
Oh well, that was $12.50. So that wasn't that bad. Other than, like, I wish they would have had like a veggie tray, because you know we would have eaten everything on the tray had it been a veggie tray. We weren't able to eat everything because it had meat on the tray. So but long story short, we really enjoyed it. It started getting a little too packed for us in there. You know, it's really, you know, the virus is running rampant right now, and we are just trying to still enjoy ourselves, but stay safe. You know,
if somebody say excuse me, it's time to go.
and for me, let me tell you something, you guys. I don't know if this happens to you all, but this definitely happens to me. When I'm out in public, for some odd reason, you guys, I tend to have to cough a little bit more than normal. Like when I'm at home, I'm never coughing. I'm never clearing my throat. I'm never coughing. Baby, attest to it. Come on now, don't be looking at me side eye. I saw that. Attest.
Let me clear my throat. Yes.
Baby, attest. Do I do that at home? So I had to actually get up and leave out. You find everything.
I can attest.
So yeah, I had to get up and leave. Now, it was another lady in there. Sounded like she wanted to cough up a small lung a little bit. A tiny bit. Didn't she, baby?
She did not exit.
Yeah, leave the building. I got up and left out and coughed a couple times and came back in. And I felt better. But come on now. It should be a little bit of etiquette about it these days, especially.
A little decorum, okay?
Just a little bit. I ain't trying to judge nobody or nothing. Maybe that's just what I do because I'm trying to be considerate. But we need to establish some rules around here, because nobody wants COVID. You know what I mean? The one in Northfield we went to, even though they didn't do a wine tasting.
People gave us a cup of wine. Like,
yeah. And they would have given us like education, but the one young lady, sweet as pie, but she was standing extremely close to us. And I was just like, you know what? I'll figure it out. I'll figure out the education on, you know, the different wines and try to pick up the different notes and hints of fruits or oaks or spices in the wine, because I didn't want to take a chance on her breathing on us. No, your slushy.
that blueberry.
Oh, baby. Delicious. Oh my goodness. And it wasn't overpowering with the alcohol, as far as, like, you know, the fermented, like what happens when the wine gets fermented. It wasn't too sweet. It was like perfect.
That's right.
Perfect. So be on the lookout for these wine testings and tastings. We're enjoying it and having fun, and we appreciate you rocking with us. If you're new here, guess what, baby? Tell them.
Hit that subscribe button.
Yup. And the notification bell. And set that notification bell up to all. Don't skip out on that, because that is how you know when we know, you know, you get notified. You know, you get your post notifications.
And we appreciate you.
We do appreciate you. So yeah, that's what's going on around here. We about to get something to eat because that little food tray, baby, smashed it.
Yeah, some.
No, I'm gonna put a clip in there and make sure they saw how you was chuggling down those peanuts like a little chipmunk.
Cut it.
So we got our Outback. We try to vlog and be as safe as possible because, you know, it's really bad out here, and we hope that everyone is being as safe as possible. But yeah, this is Carla and Eric. We're gonna go ahead and sign out here. We're gonna go home and have our dinner, and we will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey everybody, really quickly before we go, this week's grocery haul, I'm doing a voiceover because for some reason I lost the volume for this particular footage. But I found my favorite oatmeal, the rolled oats. I was looking for the steel cut, but I like this because it is only 100 calories and it has the flaxseed. We're noticing as we move more and more into our plant-based diet that we have to stop at the market more frequently, and so yeah, we just roll with it. We really like the English cut cucumbers. I like it especially because it has the plastic coating on it. So we got mushrooms here. I really love those particular mushrooms. We're moving more away from the white rice. We have to have our popcorn because that kind of keeps us going. And we keep vegetable stock on deck because we cook with it, of course, and I just like to season our food with it. I love these particular Michigan apples. We're having shrimp and grits, and I'm going to saute some peppers to go on top. That is for the popcorn, that particular ranch seasoning. We ran out of pepper, so I picked up a little bit of pepper. And of course here, my favorite Land O'Lakes butter and the mandarin oranges. We really like those. The sauerkraut is a part of the fermented diet that I'm going to be explaining a little bit more about the fermented diet and why I'm actually doing the fermented diet and incorporating more probiotics into our daily meals. And of course, the Activia yogurt. We're not a fan of yogurt here, but we do want to get more probiotics, and that Activia has probiotics in it. Then we have lettuce. Of course, we keep cabbage and kale on deck around here, and lightly salted classic potato chips. Moving away from those as well. My Fig Newtons, I had a couple of those since I've been home already, but I really love Fig Newtons. They kind of knock the edge off when I have a sweet tooth, and I think I must have had more than what I was intending on having for that particular day. And then I don't know what's going on, but I noticed to me that the grapes at the market are not looking, I don't know if it's just in our area, but I don't like how the grapes are looking. So I had to really rummage around to find these grapes. And I didn't like how they look, but I got those. They were the better ones that were there. So here I'm just rinsing off the fruit and preparing it to go into the refrigerator. We keep our water on deck. Water was $1, so I think I got about 5 or 6 gallons of water. And we drink spring water. And then I did stop at the local pharmacy to pick up some items from the local pharmacy for us. We're not ill, but we try to, keep our immune system up and our immune system going. Stopped at Starbucks, of course. We keep our bananas and our lemons on deck, as well as a few little snack items. So the grocery haul this week, only $89. Now this, you guys, really tripped me out. That was a thumbs down. I'm going to even do a little short for that one. But that's it. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.